Hello, today we are solving Jan 2026 Unit 2 IAL Edexcel paper. Question number 5. You are the financial accountant for Sparkkle Electronics PLC. Extracts from the statement of financial position at the end of 2 financial years are shown below. Here it is given below. Okay. Now party of the question they had asked us to prepare the property, plant and equipment account. Now we are supposed to prepare provision for depreciation of property, plant and equipment account. Okay. It will start from the credit side. Okay. And any new provisions. Okay, so any provision disposals that have happened, you will enter it on the debit side, but will have to go into the income statement. You will have to adjust and then balance the rest. Okay, so now let's calculate that. So first one is, we can see that the beginning balance as on 1st Jan 2025. So 1st Jan 2025. Okay, the beginning balance was 356,200. So this is going to appear on the credit side. So the beginning balance brought down, okay, as on beginning. So then we can also enter the ending balance here, that was on Jan 2026. The balance brought down, okay, was 326,000. So we will enter the balances. Okay. Now other additional information is given here. On 26th May 2025, plant was bought, but there is no depreciation for this is included. On 22nd June 2025, property with this cost with the depreciation to the date of 225,000 was sold for 1812,000. So this has to be included as disposals. Okay, so let's include for the disposals. So on 22nd June 2025, so this is also going to go into the disposal account. So the provision is 225,000. Okay, it is included. Then on 14th July 2025, equipment that cost 453,000 with a carrying value of 212,000 was sold for this much. Now on 14th July, for the equipment we have to calculate the depreciation cost because it's not directly given. So depreciation of the equipment will be equal to the cost minus carrying value. That will be its depreciation. So it is 453,000 minus the carrying value was 212,000. That is going to be equal to 453,000 minus 212,000. So that is equal to 241,000. So the depreciation cost is this much for this disposal of the equipment. So this we have to include for the 14th July 2025. Again in the disposal account we will include 241,000. Now this balance brought down will also become the balance CD here as on 31st December 2025. Okay, so this amount will come on this side also. Now we have to adjust to get it to the financial statement as on 31st December 2025. Statement of comprehensive income. So we will have to adjust and enter into the income statement. So which is called as statement of comprehensive income. So now let's add up on this side. Okay, 225,000, 225,000 plus 241,000 plus 3246,000, that is going to be equal to 3712,000. So 3712,000. Now this 3712,000, the total has to be same, minus this one will give the amount that needs to go into the income statement. So 3712,000 minus 3567,200. So that is going to be 144,800. So this is how you will prepare the provision for depreciation of the PPE plant and equipment account.